But because you're in front of an audience and you're trying to entertain also, you're losing sight of what the fuck you're doing this for, is to make fucking money. And that's a reminder for all of you listening. If you're trading, if you're pushing a button, the result should be you're making money. That's it. Not did I impress the people that watch me? Fuck everybody that watches me.
Alright, so quick trade recap, pretty much what I saw here for 3 p.m. session. Alright, so higher time frame, I was bullish, super bullish. We had an unfilled 4-hour gap above, which was right here. This 4-hour unfilled for value gap, that was my draw on liquidity for PM overall. And I was looking for a long up to it. And yeah, that was my main draw. After it, I ended up taking a short as well, for a total of 4 hour and 3 p.m. But yeah, pretty much what I saw to take the long at first. So 3 p.m. opened up kind of chopping sideways. I was kind of waiting for more structure and to get like a clear sign of a reversal. So after 3:15 opened up, I was keeping my eye on the 15-minute candle, which way we were manipulating into. Once we manipulated into a pretty clear SMT, I took my long entry off of this inverse order block here on the 15-second. I think there was also an entry on the 1 minute, but yeah, also here there was low resistance liquidity here, super clean stacked highs here. See right here, resting liquidity above right there. And my main draw was right here, this unfilled 4-hour for value gap. I did end up closing a little bit past it for a 1 to 2 risk to reward. But yeah, also after that, we had the 4-hour fair value gap got rebounced. I was then looking for a run lower after that. I would say both of these setups were pretty high rated. And yeah, this short was based off the 30-second CISD. We put in the SMT here as well. And my entry was kind of late here. I was on a call. Actually, I think if Charles is in here, I was on a call with Charles. But yeah, that's why my entry was bad here on the second trade. But yeah, ideal entry here would have been right here off this 15-second inverse order block. Or there was also something on the 30-second. There was something on the 1 minute as well. But I don't want to switch time frames because then it messes it all up. It goes to the front. But yeah, this is the 15-second time frame. I don't know, on the 15-second I just see the order flow clear, but I wouldn't recommend it to you guys unless you're already mastered the 30-second, mastered the 1 minute. I'd say it's a little bit more technical, but if you back test it and you're profitable in back testing, then I don't see why not trade in the live market. But yeah, whatever you do in the live market, make sure that you have back tested data on it, is what I'm saying. The 15-second time frame is definitely a lot more crazy sometimes, but it can give you the more precise entries. But yeah, I shouldn't be talking about it because I don't recommend it for newer traders. But yeah, I would say at lowest go down to the 30-second. 1 minute is very clean. 30-second, if there's nothing on the 1 minute, go down to the 30-second for entry. But yeah, overall here, draw was good as well. Right here, I saw that I was basically expecting a market maker sell model after we put in the 4-hour fair value gap rebalance. So once that got rebalanced, we kind of accumulated. We then put in a nice SMT right here, which my short entry should have been right here, but I ended up getting in off the 30-second after I spotted it, because my entry was a little bit late. I was a little bit distracted for the second trade, but overall my draw was really clear. I wanted to see this market maker sell model complete here. And yeah, that's basically 3 p.m. Also, let's see, inverse order block. Yeah, wrote that down. The main confluences for the short was the 4-hour fair value gap that got rebalanced. We had the SMT and 30-second CISD for entry. And I was expecting a market maker sell model based off of the 4-hour fair value gap rebalance. And yeah, this was also an overextended range. We had accumulation below. I wanted to see that get rebalanced. So yeah, I mean, that's that. Quick little trade recap, 2 for 2 and 3 p.m. But yeah, I don't focus on 3 p.m. too much, but honestly, I probably will. It's pretty clean sometimes, only when the draw is clear. Like my draw was clear in PM. It was the 4-hour unfilled gap, so I was looking for longs for that. I just wanted a clean SMT for it. But yeah, only take IOB if you backtested it, and of course backtest everything, bro. Anything new that you ever put into the live market, you always want to backtest it first.